Let's get into this box, y'all. This is the $5.95 sale, I do believe. And this box came a couple of days ago. I'm just now getting to it, but let's get into it real quick. It's not much stuff in here. Y'all see, not a whole lot, just a couple of items. For sure got some of this body butter because $5.95, you cannot pass that up. So I got Butterfly, and this is the whipped butter. The whipped butter is just okay, but I like the other formula better. But this was on the sale, so yeah, and it's new. Butterfly just came out, so why not get it? The next thing I got is Fresh Getaway. Again, the whipped body butter. Like I said, it's just okay. I wanted to try this. Y'all know I'm gonna try anything that's in body butter. I don't like the Glotion, but as far as just a regular body butter, yes, I will take it. Also, I got the Rose Cacai or Cacai Rose body scrub, $5.95. You can't beat it because I think the regular price is $18.50, of course. So I grabbed one. I absolutely love this scent. No, it does not smell like the whipped rose latte, but it's still in that rose family, and it is super nice. I actually really like it. I grabbed some body oil, the massage oil in the Cacao Rose. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I didn't grab this on the last sale, so I end up getting it on this sale. And I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of mix it in with some of my other fragrances just so they could last a little bit longer. So yeah, that's why I got this. Even though I know I don't normally use this stuff up. You know, so I don't know. I just grabbed it because it was $5.95. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. The next item is the Rose Tangerine Tea. This is the new aromatherapy that just came out with that Cacai Rose collection. This was the only one that I didn't have, so I decided to grab the whole collection for this. The bubble bath. Oh. I decided to grab the bubble bath in the same scent, that same rose tangerine scent. I grabbed this because you cannot go wrong with getting this for that price, the $5.95 price. And again, this is $18.50. So yes, I hope y'all grab some of this. I should have grabbed more, but it's not a big deal. So yeah, I grabbed the whole collection because I didn't get it on the other sale, the other was it $5.95? Well, whatever the aromatherapy sale was, I didn't buy it, so I decided to grab the whole collection this time. And okay, the last two items is again the items from the Rose Tangerine and Tea. This is the massage oil along with the body lotion. So yeah, I grabbed all of this. Like I said, I wanted to get the whole collection. I wanted to grab this whole collection because again, I didn't get it in the other sale. I don't even think my store had it. I think they only had maybe the body wash and the lotion. Maybe these three. They probably only had those three, but I don't think they had those two. So yeah, that's everything that I got. And as far as this, I just put some of the lotion on. I read somewhere that this is supposed to smell a little bit like the Versace. I think the bright Versace. I'm not for sure. I'm gonna have to check. I think I have that. I think I have a little small thing of that perfume. So I'm gonna have to test it just to see if that's true. But that's just what I heard. Don't quote me. I'm just saying. That's what I heard. I'm not 100% sure if that is factual. So yeah, this is everything that I bought from that $5.95 sale. You cannot beat it. So I am super happy with everything I bought. You cannot beat getting these body butters for that price, as well as that scrub. I'm satisfied. So as y'all see, it wasn't a huge haul, but this is my haul. Let me know, have you tried this new aromatherapy collection, this Rose Tangerine and Tea collection? To me, I just put the lotion on. Most definitely get the tangerine and a little bit of that tea, but I really don't get a lot of rose. Yeah, I'm not really getting a whole lot of rose in this one, so we shall see. I'm gonna try it out, but I absolutely love the packaging on this new collection. I love it. It is so nice. So yeah, leave in the comments. Let me know, what did you get? Do you like this new aromatherapy? Which one is your favorite? Leave all those things down in the comment area. Okay, y'all, I'm back again. I'm just gonna add this little small portion of this past haul that I'm just gonna add it to this video. Why not? Even though I just showed y'all that $5.95 sale for the body care. I just showed y'all that stuff. So now I'm gonna show y'all the 40% that they had on Easter and the $2.95 Wallflowers that they did, what, maybe 2 weeks ago? I don't know, but I haven't put this stuff up yet, so I'm gonna show y'all now. Okay, these are all the Wallflowers I got on that $2.95 sale. I originally got 5 of the smoked vanilla because I absolutely love it. It feels like this one is leaking, but I don't know. But I absolutely love this. This is my favorite vanilla scented candle. I love this scent, so I was super excited to see that they brought it in. They got it in the Wallflower. So I originally got 5, but I know this is a scent that I could get anytime, so I swapped out 3 of them, and I decided to keep 2. So I swapped out for these, y'all. Oh my goodness, the store only had 3 because I wanted to swap out for 5. But Springtime in Paris, love this scent. One of my favorite scents. So yeah, and I'm not sure if this is gonna come back. It might come back, who knows, but this has been out for a while. So yeah, I was able to grab the Wallflowers. Yeah, I was only able to grab 3 because that's all they had. So yeah, I got that. This one, this rose petal and linen. Love this scent. This is one of my all-time favorite Wallflowers. But as y'all do know, it's discontinued. I was able to grab the new version of this Wallflower, which is Rain-Kissed Petals. So if you love this rose petals and linen, you absolutely love the Rain-Kissed Petals because it's the exact same scent. Same notes, same everything. It's just that the name has changed. So yes. So yeah, I end up grabbing 5 of these because I absolutely love it. So that's everything I got for the $2.95. Okay, the 40%, which I didn't buy a lot. And I used a 25% coupon as well, which made these things like $4. So I got Fairy Tale Body Mist, Fine Fragrance Mist, Lavender Plus Mint Tea, Rose, Tangerine, and Tea. Got these, and like I said, these were like $4 because if y'all don't know, wait, I'm sure y'all do know, along with that 40% sale that they had, they also did like flash sales. So all of the body care was $5.95, I believe. So using a 25% coupon made these almost $4. So I thought it was a pretty good buy. I could have waited on this, but I just decided to grab it because I love this scent. And as far as these, that was a super good deal because these $15. So to get them for $4 was a super good deal. So that was all of the body care I got, but the stuff that I actually got on a 40% sale, they end up canceling my order. I originally wanted 2 of this candle holder, but they canceled it. So I got something else that was around the same price. So I decided to get this candle holder. It is $18.95. I might swap it out or I might keep it because it's actually a nice heavy candle holder. It's actually really nice. But this one, no, this is trash to me. It's cute, it's nice looking, but it is so flimsy. This thing is not worth $18.95. I'm sorry, this thing is so flimsy and cheap feeling. No. So when the store get more of this pedestal, this marble pedestal, I will exchange this one out because this is cheap. I'm sorry, this thing is probably worth only $5. That's just my opinion. That's just how I feel. Now this one is better because of the wood material at the bottom, so it's made a little bit better, but I really don't like candle holders like this. I like to see my candles, but that's just me. So I might keep this one, but for sure I'm returning this one. So basically that's everything I got. So leave in the comments, let me know, what did you get on this 40% sale? If you even bought anything, leave that in the comment area. Also, let me know, what is your favorite Wallflower refill? What is your favorite scent? Kind of curious because nobody really ever talk about, you know, their favorite Wallflower refill. Nobody ever talk about that. So leave in the comments, let me know, what is your favorite Wallflower refill? All right, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.